Hi, it's Kat here from Herding Cats Digital Marketing Made Easy. Welcome to the 10-Minute Masterclass, your weekly injection of useful tips to help you master your digital marketing. So I thought I'd jump on and do a quick video and show you how to create your lists within Mailchimp. So obviously I've logged into my Mailchimp account. All you do is go to lists. They're the lists that I've created previously. Create list. And then you want your list name, which one I've just started this morning and uploaded. Guide to starting your email list. Now, this is something that your customers or that your subscribers will see, so make it sure that it's appropriate. So that's what people have signed up for. So that's what I'm going to put it down as. So then you enter your email address. Oops. catsdigital.com from name. So this falls under the Digital Marketing Made Easy banner. Digital Marketing Made Easy. Okay. Campaign URL, so it's going to generate one for me. You then need to remind people how they signed up to your list. So I'm just going to use one that I've done previously. So you've signed up via the website. You want to enable double opt-in. So I prefer to do this. It just shows that people are more committed to getting you stuff. And then we save. Okay, so now you can see obviously we've got no contacts in there yet. So what we want to do now is create a sign-up form. So we have all these other options, and there are other videos on our YouTube channel that explain these. But let's just go for the minute into Form Builder. So you want to select, and this will give you your basic sign-up form. So what you want to do now is personalize it. So on here, we want to use our logo so that people can recognize who it's from. I'll save and insert. I want to change the background color so that it reflects my branding. So let me just enter that number in there. So that should give me the lovely greeny blue background. And then we want to add a little personalized message in this part. So let's, you're in. You want to try and show them that you're as excited as they are. So your free guide to starting, it helps if I can spell right, starting your email list. Email list will be with you shortly. Pretty soon you'll have everything you need to start building your own list, to start building your own list. Okay, so save and close, and that will then bring that message up there. So obviously we want their email address, the first name and the last name. This hashtagged out area is hidden, so you don't need to worry about that. If you did want to change any of the fields, then you can do so here. So for example, you don't need the last name, just delete. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's the first part. So that then branding then follows it all the way through. Opt-in confirmation email. So you can personalize any area of this if you want to. Confirmation thank you page. This is still on the subscription part. And then you can send a final welcome email, which just confirms the details. Okay, so then what you need to do is go back to the top from your sign up form, copy the URL. So this then depends on where your farm is going to be hosted. So for example, I host mine within a WordPress site, and I use the Divi theme. So all I do for that is go into the block that says email opt-in. I've already connected it to Mailchimp using an API. I now need to select the list that it's going to be used in. So some reason that's dropped off. I don't know why. Let me have a look. So yeah, we're in my Mailchimp. So you can see it's pulled in all the lists there that I need. So let's just bob it in to select the list. Right, fetch lists. Okay, so it should now show me, there we go, guide to starting your email list. So when somebody subscribes, they will drop into that email list within Mailchimp. So if we just have a look at what my landing page looks like, here we go. So your No BS guide to starting your email list. First name, last name, email, send me the goods, and people will then go through the sign up process that you've just seen. So I hope you found that useful. There will be follow-on videos, so stay tuned and search on YouTube for Digital Marketing Made Easy.